Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we are going to solve second weekly challenge for Alteryx, which is used in course certification. So this is the challenge that we have. Determine the top 5 based on the count. However, since there are multiple rows with same count, similar to round of golf, multiple people can be in the same place rank if they have the same score. Meaning that if two people have same score, say 5 and 5, then it is obvious that they should have same rank, and this is what they have explained in this problem. So first let's run the workflow in which our data is loaded. So this is our input and expected outcome is like this. So accordingly I'll zoom out, and so this is our input. So first I think we need to sort the count column. So where is sorted? This is it. Connect it with our input tool, input data. So I am going to sort by count, descending. So whichever the number is higher, it will be on the top. Okay, like this. So now what we need to do is we need to give ranking field over here based on this count. So Janet and Mark will have ranking 1, Paul number 2, and whoever have the count of 14, they will have the rank 3, like Carla, Chris and Linda. So I am going to use multi-row formula because we are using this count data which is in rows to give the ranking. So the new field, create new field. So we are going to rename this field as a rank, and we are going to use conditional formula. So we are going to use this tool multi-row formula. So we have renamed this field as a rank, and this is the conditional formula of which we were talking about. So the logic is count of the next row. If it is matching with previous row, that is first row, second row matching with first one, then our rank should be the same. So in that case rank will be like this. If not, I mean if we are in the third row and we have this count 15, and as you can see that a count of this is not matching, so in that case we will increase our rank by 1. So row plus 1, here we go. So this is it. So we are correct in our logic, and the next thing that we have to do is determine top 5 based on the count. However, since there are multiple rows with same count, so we have to just choose this top 5 ranking. So I am going to use this filter tool to filter out or eliminate unnecessary ranking. So I am going to select rank column greater than or equal to rank 5. Run. So we have total 12 records. As you can see, Sharon is the last one. Let's match with expected one. Okay, so this is the expected outcome, and this is alright outcome. So yeah, we are good with this exercise. So basically one has to remember that whatever the way or tools that we use, it is not the certain or only way to solve the problem. There are multiple tools in Alteryx that we can use to have the same result. Thank you.